Hi guys, welcome to new video in Tamil Bhumi. So we have been talking about like big data and all the tools and all those sort of things. Today I just went to one meetup in Chennai. It is a Python meetup, and I just want to discuss what are the things discussed over there so that it will be useful for you also. So yeah, let's see that. So basically the meetup happens in OMR. It's in Chennai OMR, and it is organized by Chennai Python meetup. So this is a page for that, and this is a meetup which I actually attended. If you want to attend, you can also just click there and join the group. Future they conduct monthly one meetup. Okay, and the schedule is LDPC and then explainable AI with Python, and there's a tea break, and then big data pipeline with Python, and then lightning tasks. So these are the agenda for the meetup. And yeah, initially it was first session was like spoke by Ashok. It was very good, and it was about LDPC. LDPC is basically parity bit. It is just like validating the data, whether the data is sent or whether it is sent correctly or not from the source to the destination. That is, we always like check that using the parity bit, right? So this is exactly the same, but they developed it using a lot of like white papers and those things they have developed. It is very good technology, and they have implemented that, and he showed a demo of it, which is very good. And like there is much of very raw of Python, I can see that. So that is how they actually hit everything on physical layer. So that is a very good one. And then next one is by Danish. It's explainable AI with Python, and that is also a very good session. And he told about how AI can impact the life, like how it is getting implemented. And one of the example and the demo he showed, he took the healthcare data and he just used some model, machine learning model, and explained where we can use and how to predict who's going to get more cancer, who needs better treatment, whether he should be bring them to like critical care, or he should go to a chemo, or he should go for surgery. Those kind of decision we can make based on the data. So that model he showed. And also he talked a lot about things about general AI, how AI is getting implemented in the general space. So one of the things he told is like whenever you are a product based company, you have a lot of experience and expertise to choose, freedom to choose which model you are going to use. But when you are going for the service based company, you are kind of restricted, because you are answerable for the client. Like there are a lot of questions will arise, like why did you choose this model, and kind of what feature it is mainly used in that model. Those kind of questions you need to answer. So based on that only you can choose the AI models. And one more thing, choosing the model is you have to be careful whether you are going for trade-off for performance versus quality. So those kind of trade-offs you have to make. Those kind of talks were mentioned by Danish, and that slides and everything reference were there in the link also. You can just go and check it out the meetup page. And then one more thing is, last talk was about big data pipeline with Python. That is also very impressive session, and he totally talked about how we can like do the data pipelining. There are a lot of data we can bring, and we can put into Hadoop, or we can put into like Cloudera storage, cloud storage everywhere. So how to do that? For that he took one tool and he just told about that, and that is Apache Airflow. So that is a basic thing he was explaining about, and this tool is very good, and we got a nice introduction about that tool in the meetup. So you can also check out that tool. That is also very useful and interesting one. And these are the talks, and at the end we have one more point, that is lightning talks. Whomever goes there, they can just go and share the knowledge. So there are a lot of things are getting shared in that particular talk. And one of few things is like fun thing, how you can like entertain yourself when you're in office, because you're there in 8 hours or 10 hours. So how to entertain, that is that this is about that. And one more thing is hacker news. You can just board and you can read this news and keep yourself updated. That's one of this kind. And yeah, these are the two things, and there are a lot more things which I understood. And like the good thing about meetup, or the best thing about meetup, I would say every meetup I'm saying is like you can go to the meetup. It is not about the speaker who is speaking, it is the people who you meet there actually, because they are more interested. They wanted to do something more. That's why they came to the meetup. Like instead of going somewhere else, they could have gone anywhere, but they came to choose to come to the tech meetup. That means they were interested to come. So those kind of people you will meet. So those kind of people you can be friend with, and they will change your life. Or yeah, sometimes they will be impressed, like you will be getting impressed by them. So those are the very things. I got many friends from this meetup. And if you have any meetups which is good, and you can just comment in the comment, or you can just My WhatsApp number is there in this display right now. It's here, so you can just WhatsApp me. I would like to attend the meetup also. And yeah, keep watching and we'll be putting more videos on big data and motivational and interesting facts about this technology related things. So subscribe to our channel, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.